harbor barely breathing, Palmer light frozen to the rail, hurricane wall standing like a graveyard, old stones holding back the gale. Palmer Island in the ice, guarding New Bedford tonight. Seagulls circling, crying low over the harbor's breath and glow. Palmer Island, cold and white, old eye watching through the night. Draggers sleep tied up at the bulkhead, lines gone stiff, salt in every seam. Out past the tee of the concrete shelter, that little tower keeps her winter beam. Palmer Island in the ice, guarding New Bedford tonight. Seagulls circling, crying low over the harbor's breath and glow. Palmer Island, cold and white, old eye watching through the night. I've seen that lantern through nor'easter glass, when the harbor turned to iron and the tide forgot to pass. If I never make it past that bitter swell, let that frozen lighthouse ring my final bell. Palmer Island in the ice, guarding New Bedford tonight. Seagulls circling, crying low over the harbor's breath and glow. Palmer Island, cold and white, old eye watching through the night. Here is Palmer Island, a thumb of rock and a working bay. Once a green tide line and sandbar, before the walls held the water in place. Here, storms wrote their own borders, traced salt scars on granite bone. Families walked these flats at low tide, lifting clams from the cold mud alone. This is a harbor's memory, layer on layer of tide and time. Ships and shadows, fog and fire, all turning around this granite spine. Look down and the present thins, past and present they run together. Palmer Island, winter watch, small, but holding up the harbor weather. Here a light once answered darkness, lantern glass on a wooden frame, guiding cotton oil, and whaling crews, men who hunted, chasing profit and fame. Later, metal towers rose up, red lights pulsed through sleet and spray, steel legs planted in the channel, new beacons marking a safer way.